what's up and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a couple of weeks, but it's been a busy summer. Today I'm starting a new series on my channel called Sewing Trials, as you guys seen in the intro. And basically it's like a series, like some of the videos are gonna be really short, this one's probably gonna be kind of short, and some of them are gonna be longer. And basically it's just like a series of me trying to sew things. And whenever I sew, it's really trial and error, so that's why it's called Sewing Trials. Thrift flipping, I'm gonna like recreate outfits I've seen other places, do some things from scratch, just have a little bit of fun with the sewing machine. One more thing before we get into today's video. A friend of mine who actually does YouTube is in a contest to win a Chevrolet Equinox. It would really mean a lot to them if you would click this little iCard up here to go watch their video. It's only 1 minute long and that's all you have to do to vote for them, and they need to be like in the top 3 amount of views in order to have a chance to win the car. So if you guys could check that out for them, that would be amazing. And I'll also leave their channel linked down below. They are called Married and Parented and they are an adorable family vlogger channel. So for today's video, we're going to be making over this shirt. This is what the shirt looks like. Just ignore my pink shorts. I know they don't go with the shirt, but whatever. It has like this really kind of, I'm gonna go with the word ugly because I don't really like this part. And like I really like the pattern of the shirt, but I just don't really like how it fits. I would never wear it like this. So basically what I'm gonna do, something super simple, super easy that anybody can do to any shirt that you may not like the neckline of or anything like that. I'm essentially just gonna like cut the top off and maybe cut the sleeves down a little bit too, so that they're just like the little tiny sleeves that just attach like right under here. So with all that being said, it's extremely hot in here, so I apologize for the grease factor and the fact that my hair will literally do nothing but this right now. Let's just get started on the shirt. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is actually just like go ahead and chop the entire top right off. So literally all I'm gonna do is take my scissors and go right across, right underneath where the sleeve is, cutting through both layers of the shirt and just praying that I don't royally mess it up, which is essentially how I, like every time I sew anything, I just kind of hope for the best and hope it works out. I'm gonna flip this inside out. I'm just gonna put pins in the side if it needs to be like tighter at all. I have my pins in the sides of my shirt, and I'm just gonna go ahead and run them through the sewing machine. I ran out of black and white thread, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use red because there's red in the shirt anyway, and hopefully it won't look terrible. Now that I have the edges all sewn up, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off any excess, and then I'm gonna go along the very edge with the zigzag stitch just so I don't get like any like fraying or weird edges. So now I'm just gonna do a quick zigzag down the edge of the fabric. So the edges should look a little something like this. And I'm actually gonna sew a zigzag line all along the top edge of the fabric. Obviously I'm not gonna sew it together because you still wanna be able to get in, but I just wanna sew a zigzag line against these. That way I can just flip it over and sew the seam down and it won't look super messy. And now that that's done, I'm just going to take some pins and fold over the edge. And this might take a few minutes, so I'll do most of it off camera, and then I'm just going to sew the edge down. Okay guys, so now that this part is all sewn together, it looks like that on the inside, I'm just gonna go ahead and set this aside so that I can work on the sleeves. And the sleeves are gonna be really easy. I'm just gonna lay this down, and now I'm just gonna basically cut from where the bottom, like the sleeve would have attached, like right here to the shirt. I'm just gonna cut a parallel line with the bottom of the sleeve. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with the other sleeve, obviously. Now we have 2 sleeves. I'm gonna do the same thing as I did with the shirt. I'm just gonna put a zigzag around the top, and then I'm going to fold it over, obviously, when it's inside out. So I'm gonna put a zigzag, and then I'm gonna sew it down like this. So I'm just gonna do that off camera since you guys have already seen me do it on the shirt. Okay, so now that I have my sleeves that look like this, and you flip over the top and the inside looks like that, I just left the regular stitching on the bottom because it's just the easiest thing to do rather than messing with it. Only thing that is left to do is to just basically find where your sleeve is like sewn together, and then find where your shirt's sewn together, and then just put a little stitch right there so that the sleeve stays on. There is one sleeve. And there you have it. Alright guys, so this is how the shirt turned out. Again, please just ignore my shorts. I know they don't go with this shirt. But this is how the shirt turned out. I think it looks super, super cute. Alright guys, so that is the end of my first sewing video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments down below, and also let me know if there's anything in particular that you'd like to see me sew, even if it's like Halloween costumes, because I'm already thinking about those for October. So let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to check out that Chevrolet video that I was talking about at the beginning. I'll link it right up here. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys very soon with a brand new video. Bye!